Here we are on part 2 of this wiring mess on the Rx7. We have gone through here. We have removed everything we need to remove. We're going to start reassembling this harness. This is actually the mess that we have actually taken out. You can see that's actually a nice little mess of wires. That's going into the trash pile. We're working on taping everything back up, getting this reassembled. We're not going to go past this trunk here. We know that from here, this goes directly down to the transmission. Past this, we're going to start putting things back where it goes, and then we're going to tape things into pieces, and then we're going to start actually taping it after that, so we know where things are going to go and know where the pieces go. We will get back with you as we start putting things back together, and then after that, that's when we're going to start adding the LS coils. We have the wiring harness ready to go for the Rx7. We are going to start getting ready to put this in. I wish it were easy as a click to try to set this in. We are going to take our time and get this set in place and see if we can bring you along for as much of it as we can. We've got our harness for the LS coils. What you're looking at is obviously looks like a total disaster. We are going to test what we have. What we're looking at is we pulled up a couple of schematics, and what I'll do is I will actually draw a schematic and we'll post a picture up of what that schematic looks like and how it came together. That way we can give you an idea of how everything worked once everything does work. That way somebody has an idea and can do this on their own. The problem that we're seeing is there's not a whole lot of people that are actually putting out how to make this actually work. So we will actually post a schematic of how this worked and how to make this actually work for you. we're going to put this into the car and get this to work. And once we do, we'll get everything posted up. But we're going to get this attached to the coils and we're going to get this into the car. We have everything here. The coils are working. We have everything figured out. What we had to do is we had to take the igniter out of the system and take the signal directly from the computer. The LS coils have their own internal igniter, so we don't need the igniter from the Rx7 anymore. We have everything wired up correctly now. The car will start. I'll actually give you a startup on it. There you go. That is the LS coils installed. The engine harness is taken care of and fixed up. Everything is correctly working. We have everything worked up better than it was before. Everything's cleaned up, and we are going to return this back to the owner today.